Hello, I'm Julie, and in today's video I'm going to be unboxing the latest subscription boxes from Planything and doing a plan with me with some of the items. If you're new to Planything, it's run by a lady called Amber, and Planything has been running now for 5 years and is based in the Netherlands but ships worldwide. There are 2 subscriptions on offer, a washi tape subscription, which I believe is summer themed, very excited for this one, and a planner subscription which has a little bit more in it, which this month is going to be reading themed. So let's start with the washi tape subscription. I am an affiliate for Planything, and you can use my code Julie10 on items in the shop, but they will not work for the planner subscriptions. I really love this packaging with these cute little crabs. I've definitely been saving this to use in a planner spread. Everything coordinates beautifully in these washi sets. We have 2 1.5 centimetre washis, and they have a shell design on them. Then 4 of the 0.8 washis, which have pinks, peaches and blues to coordinate with the larger washis. If you're new to Planything washi, it's my go-to for washi tape. Really good quality, you get plenty on the roll. And in this set we've got a really pretty blue design with some white shells and starfish. I thought this one was going to be the same, but actually it's just got one shell all the way along in white. Then we have a grid in the matching pink colour. I love this blue and white stripe, gives me all the nautical vibes. And then we have this salmon peach colour in a scale design and with the scallop. Now, I normally look in my Planything collection to see if we've had any of these before, and I will say that I did find a grid and a scallop that was nearly identical. So those 2 you might already have in your collection or something very similar. But as you can see, they are a beautifully coordinated set and perfect for those summer beach spreads. Now let's dive into the planner subscription. There are terms and conditions when you sign up for the Planything subscriptions, and that's that you sign up for 2 months worth of subscriptions, and after that you can cancel. There is always washi tape in the planner subscription, so we'll take a look at these later, but we have 3 washis, 1 wider one and 2 of the 0.8 centimetre ones. And it looks like the surprise item this month is this A5 size lined notebook, which has got a really pretty shell notebook on and a beach house. And on the other side we've got books and autumn leaves, so it's for your summer and autumn spreads. There's always paper, and this looks really beautiful. Just finding where it opens. Very excited for a reading theme, as it's been a little while since Planything has brought out a reading themed sticker book, and I believe it's reading through the seasons. So we've got this autumnal page with an open book and all the 4 leaves. Oh, I hate it when there's a lovely design on both sides because I don't know which one I will want to use. But we've got this bookcase and beautiful window, which gives me the inspiration to perhaps use it for a window page, which I like doing. Normally there's a design on one side and a pattern on the other. So this one's got a little pattern and a beautiful spring design. I love the script background. You can use these in your Planything planner if you've got one, or your Planything notebooks, just punch holes, or if you make your own notebooks and have a planner punch, or you can use these in your spreads. Another pattern on this side, and then we have that book again with the shells and the sand. Have a feeling I may well cut this up and use the sand and then use this in another spread. So those are the 3 sheets of paper, and now we have the Reading Through the Seasons 20 sticker sheet sticker book. So usually there are 2 of each design. So let's flip through the pages, starting with summer. So it's books interspersed with some summer icons like your deck chairs and bicycles. These are clear sticker paper, and yes, we have 2 sheets of each design. Really love this window out to the sea. And now on to autumn. Another window, so that's obviously a little theme of this sticker set. We've got the suitcase full of books and the autumnal leaves, gorgeous. Love this row of books, can be used as a border at the bottom of the page. And we've got the teapot and the cosy armchair. This one is your winter books with your pine cones and berries. And then we're on to spring. Oh, I love this one with the hearts, like a little Valentine's Day sticker. And the butterflies, these are gorgeous. Then we do have matte paper stickers that you can use for function with boxes, bullet points and circles. And we have some bookshops. This one in Paris with the Eiffel Tower behind, and it looks like we've got all different seasons: autumn, winter, spring and summer. And we have this wonderful alphabet which has bookshelves. I'm going to find this really useful for my reading journal. And you've got 4 sheets of that to cover all the letters of the alphabet. No quotes in that one, but that is a beautiful sticker book. Here are the washi tapes that go with the planner subscription. I think Amber was probably trying to use colours from the different seasons. So this is very spring-like. Don't know how to describe the pattern, but it's got a white, like a wrought iron railings pattern on it. Then we have the hexagonal in blue with a, it looks more of a beige hexagon. Not too keen on that one, I will say, which you don't hear me say very often, but I'm very honest in my reviews. But I absolutely love this script washi. Not just perfect for book themed spreads, but I did a video about using script washi with florals, and it really does look pretty. So those are your washi tapes that go with the planner subscription. I never pre-plan what I'm going to do in these videos because the unboxing is live, so I'm not sure what I'm going to be getting, but as it's reading themed, it makes sense for me to use these stickers to make a page in my reading journal. So that's what I think we'll do. I don't have a reading journal as such, as I've only just started getting back into reading this year, but I use this Oopsie-Daisy dot grid journal to have all sorts of things in this year. TV trackers, film trackers, and I have my 25 to read in 2025 pages that I made. I filmed a recent update of these pages, so that should be available now. These are my review pages, and what I thought would be a good idea is to make a top 10 the end of the year, because I don't have anything to show what my favourite books of the year are. Let's begin with some of this lovely script washi at the top, not right at the top. This is definitely going to be a washi tape I'm coming back to time and time again. I'm wondering how the alphabet stickers will look on top of the washi, as they are clear stickers. I'll just try them out. I think that will be okay. Probably should have done the ruler trick to make sure I centre these. I'm just winging it. You do get 2 pages of the letters, so that's useful. I'm not actually reading anything at the moment. The last book I read was The Perfect Sun by Frida McFadden, and it disrupted my schedule because I couldn't put it down. So I've been a little bit wary of picking up another one in case the same happens. Top 10. Love how that looks. I'm being so good because my temptation is to hoard stickers, but I'm going to use this strip because it more or less fits perfectly at the bottom of the page. But I have to use both of them, so I won't have any to use in another spread. I'm wondering if I should use this sticker to lead up right to the very end. And I can still save this sticker and use it with the pumpkin. And now I've gone right to the edge. So I am going to need to find some boxes. There are some boxes in the Reading Through the Season sticker book, but not enough because I really want to use brown. So I've grabbed Planything's boxes and plain boxes to add to the ones I've got in that sticker book. I'll add the boxes and then we can bring in some of the decorative stickers. Normally my instinct is to stick everything straight, but let's take a chance and angle these stickers. And we'll do the same on the other side with different stickers. Now let's see if we can find some stickers to match. Really want to keep to the browns mainly. So maybe this little shell book here. I'll white out this corner here. I'm running out of this jelly roll. Didn't seem to work very well. And let's have this shell one over here. Got to have the cosy armchair. Just overlap it a little bit. And the suitcase full of books. I don't think I'm going to bring in any of these spring and summer ones, even though they are gorgeous. I'll save those for a future spread. So I will stick to the winter and autumn ones. Mainly, I think the autumn ones, like the tea and the typewriter. love this cat asleep on the set of books. And we have to have the puppy on the other side. Nearly done. I have got some quotes from Planything, but I'm kind of saving those to use on my review pages as I've been putting them in the middle. I feel like because we've got 5 stickers on this page, we need 5 on this side. So this one that I cut up earlier, thinking I could just overlap and bring in maybe here on the edge. And then if I'm not going to bring in any quotes, I think that's more or less done. I love how it looks. I will add some numbers later to show the 1 to 10. So let's recap everything that we've got. Starting with the planner subscription kit. You get the 3 sheets of paper, the gorgeous sticker book, the 50 sheet A6 notepad with double-sided pages and a design on both sides, and 3 washi tapes. Then in the washi tape subscription box, which I'm going to be using in a Plan With Me video coming up soon, there are these 6 Pastel Beach washi tapes, which are super pretty. Thank you to Amber for sending me these subscription boxes to share. And one thing to say, if you're not a fan of subscription boxes, which I tend not to be because I don't like to commit to something that I haven't seen, once the month is over, if either or both of the boxes don't sell out, then Amber makes them available in her shop for you to buy as a standalone item without committing to any subscription. Of course, if it sells out, you won't be able to take advantage of that. But if you are on the fence and don't like to commit to a subscription, even though it's only 2 months, then that might be something you want to consider. You can get 10% off anything else in the Planything shop using my code Julie10, and check out my video description for all the prices. The release is live now, so you can head straight on over after this video to the Planything website to take a look. And even if you can't get a discount on your order, I really appreciate you using my affiliate link to shop, as it helps out my channel at no extra cost to you. I hope you found it useful to see one way of using these lovely stickers. And remember to subscribe and keep an eye out for the washi tape video coming really soon. Hope you have a great day, take care and happy planning.